This week is my very first episode for 2021. I am super excited to be back with Burning with B. My meals will be meals that I am using for my take control journey that I am on this for 9 weeks. So this week I made a zucchini frittata for breakfast, which lasted me about 3 days. Like I ate that for 3 days and it was so delicious each day. And then for one of my quick meals that I made when I got off from work, I made a shrimp fried rice. Well, a cauliflower shrimp fried rice, right? Didn't look great, but tasted delicious, right? Like I didn't plate it all beautiful and everything. I just took it out of the pot. It was after work. But when I say that that food, it was so good. It lasted for about 2 days. So again, glad to be back. Hope you enjoy what I am doing for you guys because this is just something that I want to give to people that are on their own health journey. So here you go.